Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds. Range, 246 miles on a full charge. Top speed, 155 miles per hour. Interior, luxurious with high-tech displays, premium materials, and adjustable seating. The Audi e-tron GT RS offers a thrilling combination of performance and luxury. With impressive acceleration and a tech-packed interior, the e-tron GT RS is an electric supercar that blends Audi's signature craftsmanship with next-generation electric powertrains. Performance 1,000 horsepower with hybrid electric powertrain. Acceleration 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. Range 25 miles on electric power with hybrid capabilities for longer drives. Top speed 211 miles per hour. Interior, a fusion of luxury, sportiness, and advanced technology, featuring premium leather and infotainment systems. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale Electric represents Ferrari's foray into the electric world, combining their legendary performance with hybrid electric technology. Offering unmatched speed and a luxurious interior, this supercar will captivate any Ferrari enthusiast. Performance 1,700 horsepower with hybrid powertrain. Acceleration 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.9 seconds. Range 310 miles on a full charge. Top speed 250 miles per hour. Interior luxurious, featuring high-tech displays, premium materials, and customizable options. The Koenigsegg Gemera is a hybrid powerhouse that delivers unbelievable acceleration and a luxurious interior. As one of the fastest and most powerful electric supercars, the Gemera is perfect for those who want world-class performance with eco-friendly technology. Longer range and faster charging, supercar manufacturers are focusing on increasing range to over 300 miles per charge with faster charging technologies that allow for quicker stops during long drives. Sustainability. Many supercar brands are shifting toward eco-friendly manufacturing.